Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So on the euro currency market yesterday has dropped more and actually has broken the major 618 support here. So that's mostly corresponds to our analysis. Seems that our suggestion on the weakness of the euro currency was correct, and in general overall sentiment background is not very positive for the euro. So you know that talkings and negotiations around the Brexit are far from success, and it's really not a lot of positive sentiments stand around this process. Also, as a warning factor, guys, I see that recent statement of the Donald Trump, this is a political factor. I mean, on the speaking on the Golan's territory in Syria. So, and I think that this will be a negative moment for financial markets, because this has increased the political tensions in the world, because that was the directive of the United Nations that the Golan territory is treated as a temporarily occupied territory, and this recent statement increase the political tensions in the region, and that is not really good for financial markets, because currently the United States has no ability to protect their decisions, and the countries of the Middle East, Syria, Iran, Hezbollah, probably they will try to get the result that they would like to until the United States become stronger and could support this decision. And that could lead to real hot stage of the conflict on this territory. This is negative moment. And in these circumstances, the demand for safe haven assets could increase. So, I mean, the Japanese yen, Swiss franc, United States dollar also, and that will be not really very positive moment for euro as well. Maybe it will not be a very significant impact, but in general, that will be the negative sign for financial markets, especially if some really open stage of the conflict, some real war conflict will start there. So it will be not really very good. So currently, guys, on euro currency, we see more bearish action rather than kind of the retracement, because take a look actually what has happened here. Significant collapse. That was the 618 support, our bread and butter lookalike setup. Retracement was very small. So that actually what we have said yesterday. Be careful with this bread and butter setup, because a lot of signs shows that hardly market will show any deep and significant pullback, because it shows too weak reaction on the support and too fast breakout here. Also, it's not normal for the market to show the collapse after creating the reversal swing and returning back on the consolidation, because right at the trend line of this consolidation, the channel was a confidence support, and it has been broken very fast. All this stuff makes us think that downward action has chances to continue. Currently, guys, we mostly will be watching for an area around monthly pivot support one. It's a 1240 area. Here actually will be the last signal area that could specify what to expect next. If market will somehow hold above this area, in this let market to show maybe some pullback here or change the direction. But if this area will be broken down, we should be prepared for a downward action challenging of these lows. In general, guys, even in the current moment, we could keep an eye on our major ABCD pattern here. So if you remember, we have talked about it when the market hits these lows. So you could see that this is ABCD pattern. COP target has been hit. Pullback after the COP of the 30% retracement of the whole drop. Confidence resistance. OP target stands in 1060 area. Sorry, 960, 970, 1 or 970 area. That's the OP target, where the market could proceed if these lows will be taken out. But now we will be watching for this area, because for a short-term perspective on intraday charts, this is also important level. So on the intraday chart, what we have yesterday, we have talked about the ABCD, major ABCD pattern, and here we said that hardly we will get any significant bounce, just because the way how market is dropping here. So it's a really big collapse, just one by one candle. Market hits the OP target. Market has completed harmonic swing, and here we've got bearish grabber yesterday. So we said, well, if you have taken long position, move your stops to the break even and watch what will happen. If you do not have the long position, wait for either resistance on the hourly chart. If you remember, we talked about this resistance, or drop below this area, some other bearish patterns that could be formed. You can see by this drop, market actually has erased this ABCD pattern and this opportunity for taking the short position. So that's really weak price action. So market wasn't able even to hit the major confidence, 30% retracement in the middle of this drop as a reaction on the major 618 support on the daily. And that was also the OP target here. So this was major 618 support on daily in agreement. It was a very small reaction. Now we're mostly watching for XOP. When the market will hit this area, it's 1220 area approximately, it combines with the deep 88% fib level. It's 112 or 8. This guy creates the pattern that calls as the bat. So this is the type of the 222 pattern with a deep retracement, with a deep second leg, deep CD leg. And that's the point that we will keep an eye on. So if you have bullish view on the euro currency, you could try to maybe take the long position, or if you're a scalp trader. So maybe market will show here at least a harmonic retracement, kind of this type of action could happen. Besides, if something will change, maybe some news will be released or something, because as I said, currently the political factor is very strong. It impacts impact on the markets across the board and in different spheres, not only the Brexit negotiations, but also the Trump policy in the Middle East. It's really a lot of other problems exist, and that makes impact on the financial markets as well. As we here have another support area where market could show at least minor bounce, that could provide some assistance to the bulls. So if you have some bullish view or suggest the market could turn up here, that's the area that you could keep an eye on and think maybe we will plan some trades here. Or as I said, if you're a scalp trader, you trade on the 15-minute chart here, if market will form some bullish reversal pattern, you could try to make the 30% bounce here. So that's the point. If you have taken the short position, so that's the point where you could think about taking the profit, or at least close to half of the position, move your stops to the break even at the second half. So that's what we will see. But major action, as I said, guys, should happen after reaction on this area. If market will break it, that automatically will shift us to higher time frame perspective. So in this case, we will be watching not only on the follow time frame chart with these ABCDs, but we will start about the weekly patterns, and particularly speaking on this larger ABCD, because that will open road for the 200, 300 pips on the euro currency to the downside. And so that will be a very important moment. So we will see what will happen around 112 area.